welcome to this video of the Seat Leon. It's the 2 litre TDI FR, 6-speed manual, 2013 registered. The late one, I think it's November 2013, this one. Very nice colour, it's metallic blue, very clean paintwork. It's got the reverse parking sensors. It's got the front parking sensors as well, the rear LED lights, LED bulbs in the front as well. The exhaust is very clean. It's got these pressed or 3D number plates, should we say. It's the parking sensors beeping. Got the rear privacy glass packs, so all the rear windows are tinted. The roof's very clean. Alloy wheels have been painted a gloss black. All the tyres are really good. 17-inch alloy wheels. That's the fuel flap. It's diesel, of course. All nice and clean. Paint looks very clean. Back of the wing mirror immaculate. HPI clear as well, this vehicle. Front windscreen very clean. The driver's side is very clean. There's no chips or cracks. It looks like the original Seat windscreen as well. All the grills in nice condition, no cracks or damage anywhere on the plastic grills. All the chrome's nice and shiny. Got the front parking sensors. Got the rear lower fog lights as well. Very light brush damage there on the corner of that bumper, very light. And then you've got the gloss black alloy wheel, Continental tyre. This side of the windscreen in zone B, there is a chip just there. You can see it, very small, and right in the centre of the screen there's a small chip in zone B, so not in the driver's view, the passenger's view. That wing mirror cap very clean. Paintwork very nice. Back to this wheel. Okay, let's go in the boot. In the boot, yeah. Oh, it's just beeping like crazy. Oh, so in the boot. So turn that off. So you've got the number plates there, the normal plastic number plates are in there, and then you've got a tyre foam, you've got a locking wheel up. There's no spare wheel with these. Got some spare LED bulbs there as well. Split fold rear seats. And all that area is nice and clean. And in the rear. Okay, so the rear door, all very clean. All the seats are nice and clean. 3 headrest, 3 rear seat belts, and the child Isofix anchoring points for the kiddie seats. Got some air vents in the middle there. All the magazine holders are nice and clean and straight. No damage. Very clean. Door shuts are very clean. Electric rear windows, and it's also got the tweeters in the rear as well as the normal speakers. Other side door, very clean. passenger, all clean as well. Door shuts. So the front passenger seat has also got the lumbar support there, and it's got the seat height adjustment as well, and it's got the storage package, which has got these little cubby holes under the seats. Driver's door, nice and clean. Electric windows, electric wing mirrors as well. Central locking button. The door shuts nice and tidy. The driver's seat's very clean. It's also got the lumbar support, airbag, and the height adjustment there. Pedals are nice and clean. It's got this snazzy like chrome look carpet set, not to everyone's taste, but they came with the vehicle. The seat's in good condition. There's slight cracking appearing on the bolster there. It's a design fault, so most of them do go there. Obviously this is imitation leather, it's not cow skin as we call it, it's just vinyl, so it's very plasticky, should we say. It's not leather. Okay, inside we've got the radio, which is the normal radio, and then we've also got the media package, which you connect your through here. If you look there, it's a plug there which you can buy, a plug and adapter to adapt to your phone, but obviously the aux there, the USB there as well. Airbag on and off switch is there as well. You've also got a SD card slot there if you want to play your music through an SD card. You've also got Bluetooth, which you have to obviously tune your phone up to. Then you've got dual zone climate control, which has got the left and right temperature settings, obviously air conditioning, and you've got the storage cubby hole there, nice and clean, nothing in there. Then you've got this leather gaiter with the red stitching, 6-speed manual gearbox. In here you've got the drinks holder, your handbrake lever, and the leather gaiter. You've got your 12-volt power supply, and they've got a sliding armrest as well. It's a sliding armrest. You can see this is storage area there. There's an air freshener in there. It doesn't smell of smoke or dogs, by the way. It's just an air freshener in there, so it doesn't smell of dogs or smoke in here. We've also got the cruise control, which is an extra cruise control, which is really good. Multifunctional, flat-bottomed sports steering wheel with a leather stitching, the red stitching there, the leather trim. Obviously multifunctional with the volume controls and the voice command, etc. The car, as you can see, 74,480 miles. It's got over a quarter tank, just over a quarter tank of fuel as well. We have only got one key with this vehicle, by the way. It's just one key there in the ignition, the light switch there, and the adjusters for the headlights. Up here you've got some tweeters up here, and then obviously speakers in the door there as well. So many speakers. What else have we got? That is about it. We'll come to the bonnet lastly. We've got the book pack here. We've got the book pack. We've got the service book. We've got the log book. We've got some service receipts as well. So everything's here. So we've just had it serviced by our local VW Audi. They call it the VAG group. So Volkswagen Audi group. So that consists of Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda. So all those are there. We've got a service booklet here with the service history in as well, right up to date. So we've got places like, it was a Seat dealer Arnold Clark, and then Arnold Clark again, Seat dealer. So it's service Arnold Clark there, and then you've got another one, Seat dealer Arnold Clark, and then you've got another one, Arnold Clark, Seat dealer. Then you've got another one which was not, this was Parks of Hamilton, Glasgow, they serviced it. And then you've got another one here, Farmer Auto Care there as well. And then you've got a quick fit, another quick fit, and then you've got Hillside Garage, which is us, and it had the timing belt and water pump as well. Okay, so you've got the invoice here, which was by So it's VAG, hang on, VAG Vehicles Service by Hillside Garage, which is a VAG workshop. And it says here, major service, timing belt kit, water pump, antifreeze with engine oil change and air filter. So that's all there, stamped as well. So the new MOT with no advisories by the same garage. It's all there, which was carried out 2nd of the 10th. Got the V5, we've got the old service, old MOT certificates as well, and some services as well for Parks Motor Group and Farmer Auto Centre. So they're all there. Right, let's go switch the engine off and let's have a look under the bonnet. And I think that's it. So the bonnet pull, unlike VW's, for some reason Seat put the bonnet pull this side, which is strange. So the VW Golfs and Polos are that side. So the bonnet, good to know that the previous owner or owners have put these gas struts on. So these struts there, instead of using the bonnet stay, so that's easier. The TDI engine there, airbox. It's even got the got the pink screen washing. Someone's put the pink screen washing, and then we've got obviously new coolant there as well. All's been fully serviced, really clean, and we've written on here as well the date and the mileage of the timing belt to be replaced. So it's all there, so people know. Okay, so that's that. If you have got a part exchange, please let us know the reg number and mileage, and we will give you a quotation on what your car is worth today. And then obviously finance, this can be financed. You can do up to 4 years on this one. 63 plate, we can still do 4 years, so we can have 4 years finance on this vehicle. Okay, any more questions, just drop us a line, give us a call anytime. We're here to help and answer your questions. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video.